Okay, folks, just a couple more on this first part of the review. All right, so this one says solve. Remember the rule, follow it. Simplify, then solve. All right, so let's see. I see, here's my equal sign. All right, so I'm going to simplify this left side by distributing first. I'm going to get 2n minus 6, and then that's going to be n. All right, so then plus 2n minus n squared. All right, because remember there's a 1 in front of that and a 1 in front of this. Okay, is equal to 2 minus n squared. All right. Let's see, I'm going to simplify the left side still, and I can combine the 2n and the 2n. That's going to give me 4n. I'm going to take this negative n squared and I'm going to stick it in the front, because we always put the higher powers in front of the lower powers. And then I'm going to take negative 6 and put it in the back. Now I can't simplify that anymore. All right, I've got n squared, I've got n, and I have no n. Now on the right side, I'll just write negative n squared plus 2. I put it in order, it's just habit. Okay. Now the first thing I'm going to get rid of, I always get rid of the highest powers first. So I'm going to add n squared to both sides, and oh look, they cancel out. Nice. All right, so that leaves us with 4n minus 6 is equal to 2. Now I'm going to add 6 to both sides, and I'm going to get 4n is equal to 8. Beautiful. Divide by 4, and n is equal to 2. Perfect. Nice job, folks. Remember, you can always check by plugging it back in and seeing if you got the right answer. All right? Let's just do that real quick. Let's see. The answer's 2. All right, let me go up here. I'm going to plug in 2. So that's going to be 2 times 2 minus 3 plus 2 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 squared. Right? All right, let's see. That's going to be 2 times negative 1 plus 2 times 0 is equal to 2 minus 4. All right, so that's going to give me negative 2 plus 0 is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 equals negative 2. All right, we got it right. Remember, you can always check your answers by plugging it back in and seeing if it works. Okay? All right, let's look at this last one. It just says multiply. Okay, now, it's telling us to multiply. You see these parentheses are right next to each other. That means I need to multiply this stuff by this stuff. Okay? So, all I do is just distribute. I'm going to do 3z first. So 3z times 3z squared is 9z squared. 3z times minus z is minus 3z squared. 3z times positive 4 is plus 12z. Now it's minus 2 times 3z, so that's going to 3z squared, so that gives us minus 6z squared. Minus 2 times minus z is positive 2z, and minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. All right? Now let's combine everything that we can. And look, I made a mistake. I don't know if you guys noticed it on the very first one. It's 9z cubed, isn't it? Z times z squared, 9z cubed. All right, now I don't have any other z cubed, so I'm just going to bring this one down. 9z cubed. I'm going to combine the z squareds. Right? I got negative 3z squared and negative 6z squared gives me negative 9z squared. Then I'm going to combine the linear terms, right? There we go. That's 12z plus 2z is plus 14z, and minus 8, the constant at the end. That's it. Done. I can't simplify this anymore because none of the terms are alike. All of them have different exponents. They have same variables, but the variables all have different exponents, so I can't put them together. They're not like terms. All right? Great job. Now remember, finish up the exam review, problems 17 through 32, and we're going to go over those at the next class period. Good job, guys.